Hey friends! Today I'm going to show you how you can start trading from scratch, even if you have nothing. Technically, I simulated the situation by depositing just $100 on Pocket Option, but here the twist. I used promo code Dawit, and that gave me a $50 bonus. And today I'll trade using only the bonus without touching the actual $100 deposit. Alright, so I received $50 in bonus funds, that's good. I'll split that up and start with a $10 trade. Let me set up my favorite indicators. Bollinger Bands, 10 and 2. Next one, EMA with 5. And I will keep the RSI with 10. Starting with 1 minute time frames. Maybe later I'll test some 5 seconds scalps, of course, you know. So first trade for $10. Looks like a nice impulse bounce from Bollinger Band here. Second trade, let me also add $20. So now we have 3 trades for 30. Still using only bonus funds, not touching the 100% deposit. This is the principle today. This is the goal of experiment. Just to add more money for this budget, using just bonuses. Let me be careful now. M1, let's buy for 20. I think it's still, even first trades will be not good. Yeah, it's first minus. Trading with a small budget is tough, but let's go for one more. $18 trade. I will keep it. If we win this $20, we will be good. We will cover losses. I will speed up some trades to save your time. Boom! That's a nice feeling. First win, first good win. Important one. Let's step it up to $15. Strong impulse here. I'm opening a trade and want to play a bit with 5 seconds scalps. Just need to wait for the moment. The entry points, as usual, this is the main. Well, win the profit again, but it's not enough, of course. Oh, that's tight entry. Want to play a bit with 5 second scalps. Whoa, that's tight. It was close. Oh, let's pick another pair. Yes, that could be a good impulse here. What I want to catch. That's good. That's good impulse. Just open for $10. $10 for now. And maybe some options to scalp here. Oh, it was painful. $20. Now, the last moment. What the hell? Okay. Calm down. Just calm down. Oh, okay. If you want to see more trades, daily, I do post sessions in my Telegram, even more in my private Telegram channel. Okay, here the plus. That's good. Yeah, just join my Telegrams for more value. You definitely will like this ambient there of our trading community. Great sessions. And a lot of more fun, motivation, philosophy, psychology, everything you need to know about trading life. Anything. What can make you better trader? And actually, better person maybe. Who knows? Let me add a bit more pairs on this. For this session. Okay, here. Let's do 5 seconds. Looks like a good idea for me. No, but not a good result. No, that's plus. That's plus. Another one. Whoa. We're going good. Let's back to 1 minute. All the links in pinned comment. If you're looking for my Telegram already. Yeah, also all the bonus information also there. Just go there. Well, it's so not easy to trade with small amount, but trying. The main thing is percentage of your profit. And believe me, any profit from zero investment, it's a good percentage. It's a unique opportunity, guys. Trade with bonuses when you have it. First one, not good. Yes, 2 trades good. And let me open 2 trades for 1 for 10. It's in minus, and let's open here. More, yes, that's good. And we still have $20 trade for 1 minute. It was close. But now, let's wait for this trade and check how it's going. I think I'll start $20. Next. Great. Important one. Hey, quick reminder. You can trade with free funds just like I'm doing now. You will need to make a small deposit. Yes, but if you use promo code Dawit in the description, you'll receive bonus funds to trade without any risk. And for example, deposit 1,000, get $500 extra bonus instantly. That's how this video is structured, modeling a real case. Want even more? I can give you 60% deposit. Just message me on my Telegram. All the links are in the pinned comment. Alright, let's keep trading. Gotta be careful now, I don't want to lose our hard-earned profits. Think about it, we started with $50 free and already made 58 in profit. I want to opening something with 5-second trades. Here are this good one. Okay, 1 in loss, 1 in plus. Let's calm down a bit. $20 1 minute here looks good, and I will trade 5 seconds on $10. This is the structure. 20 already in the game, and now let's wait some safe entry point, if I can say safe when I trade so aggressively. This is very questionable, but I do like this strategy and I trade a lot. It's 5 seconds, so I'm thinking I'm quite good in this. That's good. That's important. This one is good feeling, guys. I hope you feel me. Well, you know, want to open something with bigger amount. Something safe. With solid entry point. With solid profit. Well, let's do 30. Let's do 20 first to see how it's work. And let's do some scalps here. Not good situation here for 5 seconds. But I hope I will find now something to add some more action in this session. Or I will add some action in this money session. Now let's go back to see how our trade going here. $20 is 10%. Basically it's 20% because we will not touch 100. And boom, that's good, but I still want some big move. Let me find something good. What we have here, for me, looks perfect. I even want to play a bit 5 seconds here. 1. First one is good. Let's do the second one. Yes, here's the impulse. close. Open for 20. No. Another 3 trades. This is what I'm talking about. We cover losses. Not all of them, but it's important. Okay, let me calm down. This is the main trade now. Yes, I think this is enough for today. Let me stop the session. Well, that's it for today's session trading, only on bonus funds without touching my deposit. If you want to try to use my promo code Dawit for a 50% bonus, want to unlock 60%, just message me directly in Telegram. I'll give you all the details. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Do you want me to continue from this session? Or would you prefer a new indicator strategy, or maybe even see me trading with a real large balances? Your feedback matters. I'm making this content for you. See you in the next one, and may the profit be with you. Peace.